Mga kaibigan, once again, good morning to all the people around the universe, to all the people around the earth, no, mga kaibigan. Especially to all my organic followers, organic viewers, especially not yet to all the people not yet followed in our Facebook page, in our YouTube channel, not yet subscribe, in our TikTok, in our Instagram. Thank you so much. Please follow in our TikTok, in our Facebook, in our Instagram, in our Celebi if you have a time, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because this video was also uploaded to the YouTube channel. Mga kaibigan, there is a lot of questions that need to be answered and clarified on this because there is a questions one of our followers, one of our viewers that is stating that in this country here in the Philippines, the police officer was killed by the criminal for only 1 month. There is a counting of 5 policemen was killed by this criminal. It is not because of the lack of training. It is not because, sir, of there is no fully equipped in the training. You know why? Police officer is fully equipped in training because they are graduate by the PSBRC, PSFTP, and BISOC. BISOC was started on 2016 batch because PNP Scout was replaced by this, no, BISOC. So fully equipped. Our policemen are fully equipped in this organization, sir, for your informations. Sometimes our police officer was afraid to face the consequence in the name of the human rights. It is because carrying a firearms to the law enforcement officer in the country, it is not a violation. If there is a criminal, if there is a criminal out there who endangers to the life of the law enforcement officer, like for example the police, and then the police, there is a hesitate themselves how to use their firearms, either to shoot them or not, because in the name of human rights, because victims or the criminals is loved by the human rights. For me, sir, it is not true our police is lack of training. It is not true your statement. Police is fully equipped. Sometimes some of the police out there, police officer, they are afraid by the human rights. What I have mentioned, told you earlier. For me, sir, I use my firearms in the name of human rights to the police, in the name of the human rights to the law of my country, in the name of the human rights to the Philippine constitutions, in the name of the human rights of the Filipino citizens who are living peacefully in the community or in the society or in this nation. Those good people, because I serve my country as a law enforcement officer, not to protect devil rights, not to protect them all. I will born, I conceive to my mother's womb to serve the country, not protecting devils. I suppress devil. I kill devil. I use my firearms if needed. We will use our firearms in order to shoot their criminals, no matter what. Because there is a abuse in the eyes of the human rights towards this criminal. How about the criminal was killed more than 5 persons in their life, and then they will go after attack the police, and then we will killed by the police, and then we will claim the human rights. How about the victims of this criminal? How about the rapist criminal, akyat bahay criminal, addict criminal, they are raping, afterwards using drugs, they are your robbery criminal, and many others, terrorist criminal, syndicate criminal, cartel criminal, and many others. What do you think? There is no rights, or there is no human rights? A police officer who stand to defend the country, to defend the law for the benefits of the people of the country. For me, I stand my own. I will use my firearms because using firearms to killing the criminals, it is not violation. Using firearms in order to shoot those accused during in the name of responding who are aggressive to attack the police using their deadly weapons, and then we will use our firearms. So that's why it is not true. Sometimes the police was afraid to be faced the consequence in the name of human rights. That's the truth. It is not true that the police is lack of training. No, is fully equipped. Because all the police officers we will become the police officers, they are eligible. They are graduate by the 4 years. They are eligible because board passer and many others out there. Number one, police is afraid to face the consequences. There is no guts, some of the police out there. So that's why if we will use our firearms, just aim the target, which is the criminal. We will use our firearms in the name of we are drunk outside, afterwards we will aggressive towards the citizens out there. That is the wrongful doing of the police. If we are doing in the name of the service, we are using our firearms in the name of legitimate operations, that is not violations, that is illegitimate actions of the police. Thank you so much.